Canada, a land of breathtaking landscapes that captivate the soul and inspire the imagination, and vibrant cities, stretches across the northern part of North America, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. From the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Pacific Ocean in the west, it spans 6 time zones, each with its own distinct charm and character. Its southern border touches the United States, creating a long-standing relationship between the two nations. Canada is renowned for its vast wilderness, including majestic mountains, sprawling forests, and countless lakes and rivers that offer endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Canada is the second largest country in the world by total area, a testament to its expansive and diverse landscapes. Its diverse geography encompasses a range of climates, from the Arctic tundra to temperate rainforests, each supporting unique ecosystems. The country is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including iconic species like the maple tree, beaver, and polar bear, which symbolize the nation's natural heritage. Canada's natural beauty attracts millions of visitors each year, drawn by the promise of unforgettable experiences and breathtaking vistas. From the rugged coastlines of Nova Scotia to the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains, there's something for everyone to explore and enjoy, making Canada a true gem on the world map. Long before European arrival, Indigenous peoples inhabited the lands we now call Canada for thousands of years. Their presence is marked by rich traditions, vibrant cultures, and a profound connection to the land that sustained them. Their history, cultures, and traditions are deeply intertwined with the land, forming a tapestry of life that is both ancient and enduring. First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples have unique languages, spiritual beliefs, and ways of life. Each group contributes to the rich diversity that defines Indigenous heritage in Canada. The arrival of European explorers in the late 15th and early 16th centuries marked a turning point in Canadian history, bringing profound changes to the Indigenous way of life. French and British colonists established settlements and competed for control over trade and resources, leading to significant cultural and economic shifts. The struggle for dominance culminated in the British conquest of New France in 1763, reshaping the political landscape of the region. Canada officially became a self-governing dominion within the British Empire in 1867, marking the birth of a new nation. The country gradually gained more autonomy over the following decades, evolving into a distinct and independent entity. Today, Canada is a constitutional monarchy with Queen Elizabeth II as its head of state, reflecting its unique blend of tradition and modernity. Canada prides itself on being a multicultural society that embraces diversity and inclusion in every aspect of life. People from all over the world have made Canada their home, creating a rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions that enrich the nation. Immigration has played a vital role in shaping Canada's identity and contributing to its economic and social fabric, fostering growth and innovation. The Canadian government promotes multiculturalism through policies that encourage inclusion and respect for all cultures, ensuring everyone feels valued. Canada is committed to reconciliation with Indigenous peoples, addressing past injustices and promoting their rights and well-being, fostering a more inclusive future. Canada is a parliamentary democracy with a federal system of government. The country is divided into 10 provinces and 3 territories. The federal government, based in Ottawa, is responsible for matters of national importance. Canada has a strong social safety net that provides universal health care, education, and social assistance programs. The country is known for its high standard of living, peacefulness, and commitment to human rights. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and follow for more insights into Canada.